Welcome to another Reviews and More 422 automotive review. Today we're taking a look at a 2025 Toyota Camry Hybrid. This is the front-wheel drive LE version. It comes in 4 different trim levels: LE, XE, XLE, and XSE. And the range as far as retail price is anywhere from $29,495 all the way up to just under $36,000. So this is the lowest trim level which is LE. It is front-wheel drive hybrid, has 1 electric motor as well as a 4-cylinder engine, and good for 225 horsepower. The 4-wheel drive version, which has an extra motor in the rear, is good for about 232 horsepower. In 2025, all the Camrys are hybrid in different trim levels. The 2025 Toyota Camry pairs the 5th generation Toyota hybrid system with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine and has a standard horsepower rating of 225 horsepower on front-wheel drive. If you go with the 4-wheel drive version, which is the higher trim level, you get an extra electric motor in the rear, and that's good for about 232 horsepower and around a 0 to 60 time of 7 seconds. The LE version has a standard remote. You have your lock and unlock and hold to release the trunk. It is not a type of remote that will unlock your doors as you walk up. You'll need to unlock it manually. You've got your panic alarm here. Interior review, you have your standard window controls here. Your lock and unlock all doors and locking the rear window here, and your switch for operating the side view mirrors. You've got some speakers built into the doors. The LE version has regular seats. They are not electric, not power seats. The bolstering is really nice though. You've got your charging pad here. Room here for extra stuff. Cup holders. Here you have eco, normal, and sport mode. Hold for the brake. You've got an EV mode button here, an electric parking brake, a huge storage area here. Got a small glove compartment. Got your passenger vent. You have your fog lamps here, your traction control, button to open the filler door, trunk, and the steering wheel. We have various controls here. You have your air conditioning controls here, more vents, charging ports, in the rear you have your hybrid vent here, and again, very nicely upholstered. The seats do not come down. You got the center armrest here. You've got charging ports down here, and another pair of vents. You have a pocket here, no pocket on this side. And you have the rear speakers on each door. Okay, turning on the car, you push your brake pedal and hit the start button. You've got your warning, and you're ready to drive there. You have your sport mode there, changing the gears. Now this is a touch screen. It has a notification if you leave the car on in park. It will turn off automatically after 1 hour. This Camry, the front wheel drive version, is good for 52 miles per gallon combined highway and city driving. Okay, to pair your phone, pretty easy. Here, hit this and look for Bluetooth and devices there. Search. Found my phone here. Confirm that code on your phone. And it says start Android Auto. I'm going to say not yet. And I do not want to sync my contacts, so I'll deny it there. And it says connected. And, let's see. It's asking if I want to access my messages. I'm going to deny that. And let's just see if it plays. Okay, I was able to set up the Android Auto on here. So you can see it's playing music off my Spotify. And you can have your map on here too, off your phone.
Let's take I-15 South and State Route 58 West, I-5 North.
So this Camry comes with the speakers in the doors. So there's 4, and then you've got speakers up in there in the corner. It's for a total of, I believe, 6 speakers. And I have another bass speaker underneath, but I'm not sure about that. But it does sound really good. Okay, put it into rear, reverse, and when you back it up, the camera comes on. It says check your surroundings. For a hybrid, it's really quiet. You can hardly hear any kind of noise backing up, warning other people, unlike other cars. Personally, I like it to be a little bit louder, but this one is really quiet. You can hear it here in the interior, but exterior sound is sort of muted. Let me try it again here.
Turn right. Then turn right onto East Robindale Road.
Open the windows. Put it in reverse. And you can hardly hear anything. It's a low, hollow sound. Okay, testing the acceleration from a standing start here. braking. I hit 55 there. Lost a little bit of traction there. The traction control kicked in. About 26, and let me floor it here. Pretty good acceleration. $25 miles an hour, flooring it. Hit 71. That's in drive. Let's try the sport mode. And that's in 4th gear, 5th gear, 6. And it stops at 6. It's up to 6th gear. Down to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1st gear. Second, 3rd. Does ride pretty smoothly, and handles pretty good. And that concludes my test drive and review of this 2025 Toyota Camry hybrid LE version. Hope you enjoyed and got something out of my video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe.